Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by assembling measured ingredients and safety gear. Put on gloves, goggles, and a respirator, and open windows for ventilation. Pour 100 ml denatured alcohol into a clean measuring cup. This solvent evaporates quickly and carries the repellent. Add 10 to 20 ml of your silicone or fluoropolymer concentrate based on desired strength. More concentrate increases durability, but may alter texture. Once mixed, gently swirl, do not shake vigorously, so you avoid foaming. Make sure to label the mixture and note concentration for future use. Once your initial blend is made, continue with controlled mixing steps. Add concentrate in small increments and stir for 30 to 60 seconds between additions to ensure homogeneity. This prevents overconcentration in spots. Transfer a few milliliters to a hidden fabric patch and spray evenly, then let it cure 24 hours. Alcohol evaporates fast, but polymer cross-linking takes time. After curing, perform a water bead test. If beads are small or soak in, adjust the ratio by 5% and retest until satisfied. To finish, hold the bottle 20 to 30 cm from the surface and apply even, overlapping passes. Aim for 1 to 2 light coats rather than a single heavy coat. Allow each layer to dry 10 to 15 minutes before adding another, and cure the treated item 24 hours before heavy use. If repellency fades, reapply every 6 to 12 months or after intensive washing. If the finish becomes cloudy or tacky, dilute the mix by 10 to 15% with alcohol and retest. If strong odors or residues persist,
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.